Hi everyone, I am Luis. In this video, I am going to talk to you about future action, using the auxiliary verbs going to and will in their positive, negative, and interrogative forms. Let's go. Let's start with going to in the positive form. They are going to play soccer after school. In the negative form, they are not going to play soccer after school. And in the interrogative form, are they going to play soccer after school? Let's continue with will. Positive form, I will clean the house this afternoon. Negative form, I won't clean the house this afternoon. And interrogative form, will I clean the house this afternoon? Thank you for watching. See you next time.